Guys, welcome to the week 2 exploration challenge information video. Just to give you a few more details about what you'll be putting together with Flipgrid this week. So there are 3 parts to the exploration challenge. Part number 1 is to go to Flipgrid and respond to the topic that I made with a question about your thoughts, reflections, ideas about what you know about Flipgrid so far. After checking out the informational tutorial videos, after reading some articles and ideas, the flip code to access that is right here. So if you visit flipgrid.com and then you go and enter a flip code right there, you just enter the code and then that'll allow you to start to record your own response for that. So that's part 1. Also then at the end, once it asks you to take a selfie at the end, use some sort of sticker or filter or something to try out some of those features like our students would for the video responses. So that's part 1. You're going to do that. That'll automatically submit itself to me on my grid when you're done. Part number 2 then is to create a Flipgrid account and topic of your own, and then create a question. That question does not have to be related to your content at all. In fact, it's probably more enjoyable if it's kind of a fun random question, especially since we have teachers from across all kinds of content areas. Check out the settings, the parameters of those things as you make that topic. And then you're going to post your question and the flip code in this section of your class Flipgrid doc. Now, something to be aware of when you make your Flipgrid. So here's that class Flipgrid doc that is linked to inside the Exploration Challenge as well as inside of Google Classroom. When you make it, you need to open it to not only USD264.org, but you need to open it to USD394.com, which is Rose Hill. We have someone from Rose Hill, as well as USD259.net. That's our Wichita Public teachers that are in with us as well. So again, 259.net and USD394.com will allow those teachers to access. So you're going to post your question next to your name here, and then the Flipgrid code, the viewer. So that's part 2. You create your own Flipgrid. And then part 3 of the challenge is you need to respond to at least 3 of your classmates' Flipgrid posts with your own video response. And the way you're going to do that is as they get posted inside of this doc, you're going to be able to see their questions and then their codes to access those Flipgrids. The goal is for everybody to get some responses so you can see how it works as a teacher and as a student. So if somebody already has a few responses, try to do one as you access them and check out their questions. Try to do one from somebody that maybe doesn't have any responses or maybe only has 1 or 2 as you work your way through. Obviously, the earlier you sort of post that or get that done, the earlier people can respond to your topics or posts. So just help each other out in that way. Again, that can be accessed from these links. They'll also be inside of Google Classroom. That's our exploration challenge for week 2. Thanks.